Hello friends, good morning. It's an early morning for me. I have to do this detail and another, it's a car lot car. So today we are working on a 2015 F-150 Lariat. So this is a business owner, he's in the construction industry. You know, they get out into those jobs and it's just dusty as all get out. He actually maintains it pretty well, but this leather needs some help. It's trying to start a new life, lordy. So anyway, got some good rubber mats on there. Just gets dusty. Now he did leave some personal items in there. The reason for that is it's just a pain in the butt to pull them out. So he said just to work around them, which is fine. We can do that. Some dirty mats, but we'll get them all cleaned up. So let's get started with the day. Okay, we have a situation here where this toolbox that he has underneath the seats is full of things that we obviously don't want to mess with. Well, the floor mat is tucked up under there, but since this pickup is so very well maintained, I'm not going to worry about what's under here because I'm sure that it's been protected. I'm just going to work around it and I will flip the mat over, and then when it comes time to clean it, I'll just clean it in place. Alrighty, so this F-150 is done. It is looking good. I got some ceramic coat on the LED screen and some of that to keep the static down a little bit. And I also got some protection on the vehicle. I got these seats looking the way they're supposed to look. The plastic covering is just wearing off, that's all. This back seat looks good. I left the mat in place but cleaned it. Looks good. These seats are looking really good also. But these rubber mats, they are just the worst. Hey, what we got here? Sheesh. Work this hard for it not to clean up the right way. I don't think so. Now, that speaker cage played hard to get. I don't know what's going on there. I even used a brush on it. It's hot out here. I'm tired. But I still got another detail to do. So, back to work. Thanks for hanging out, guys. We'll see you later.